Lawyers from former Malaysian leader Najib Razak say he did not know that millions of dollars transferred into his bank accounts came from State Fund 1MDB. This comes as prosecutors wrapped up their first case against Najib. A ruling on whether to acquit or call for him to enter his defense will be delivered on November the 11th.
And as Channel News Asia's CNA's Melissa Go reports, both sides are confident Justice Mohammed Nazlan will rule in their favor.
It's the first in a series of criminal proceedings against ex-Prime Minister Najib Razak. It's also considered the most straightforward by the prosecution, led by senior counsel V. Sitambram. Now, the trial began in April and lasted almost 60 days. 57 witnesses were called in a bid to prove that the ex-Prime Minister, who is also Finance Minister and advisor of SRC International, abused his position to facilitate a $1 billion loan to the government-linked company and received gratification to the tune of about $10 million. Now, he's also charged with 3 counts of criminal breach of trust and 3 counts of money laundering for monies that were transferred from SRC International into his accounts in 2014 and 2015. Now, defense lawyer Muhammad Shafi Abdullah argued that the charges under the anti-money laundering law, known as AMLA, ought to be dropped because none of the predicate offences has been proven.
Because AMLA only is triggered if the predicate offences are proven. That's the nature of AMLA. AMLA is proceeds of an illegal activity. Okay? If the illegal activity drops in the 4 charges, AMLA drops by itself.
Now, also, Najib, he said, has no knowledge that the funds originated from SRC because he thought that they were Arab donations. Now, defense argued that many of the documentary proofs are inadmissible because no original, they said, was produced in court. Now, despite all that, the prosecution, in its oral submission, maintained that they have established a prima facie case against Najib.
As far as we are concerned, it's pretty straightforward because how the monies went into SRC, how they left the SRC, how they went into the accused, all have a money trail and all are documented. Of course, it's ultimately whether the court accepts those documents and those witness testimony as reliable and credible is a matter for the judge.
Justice Mohammed Nazlan has set November 11th to announce his decision at 10 a.m. Now, if he rules that the case has been proven against Najib, then the ex-Prime Minister will be ordered to enter his defense in the first week of December itself. Although a final verdict may not come till end of next year, Najib, if convicted, can be jailed up to 15 years for each count of the offence. Melissa Go, CNA, Kuala Lumpur.